Hey guys, thank you for coming back to my channel. My name is Tygery, and today I'm going to be showing you this tank top that I've seen on YouTube. Some lady, she did this version and I said it was super cute. I need some workout clothes because in September I am going to do this challenge with one of my friends. It's called Move Her from Boda's Moms. So yeah, so I said, let me get it together and start making stuff so that I can, be prepared to have something to wear almost every day. If not, have something that I made every week. Okay, so at this point, my camera that I was recording off of, it had died. So I turned it off and I totally forgot that I had my phone still recording. I know for a fact I don't know 38. So I knew for a fact I didn't need a size 38, but I didn't know for a fact that I didn't need a size 30 either. So I ended up having to cut off, I think, 1.5 inches off of both sides. So about 3 inches off the whole thing. You will always be holy, holy forever. We your people sing, who Tygery sings that you're holy. See, this is some of the stuff that I don't care. Well, I don't keep in the videos, but I'm always doing something. One thing for certain, two things for sure. I am not a singer, but I can hold a tune. So yeah, that's all I'm doing is holding a tune. I'm not singing. But yeah, look, why did I have all that balled up there? That was just crazy when I pulled that out. I said, what the heck is this and why do I still have it? It was a whole sleeve on there and a waistband on there. So yeah, that's what I ended up cutting out of that. Oh, look, it is inch. Wait. Yep. Boom shakalaka, boom shakalaka. Ew. All right. So when I say I crack myself up, oh my gosh, I crack myself up. Because yeah, that means I'm about to start rambling whenever I do that. I'm about to start rambling. So that's what I'm doing, rambling and trying to get my thoughts together and get my thoughts out and what I'm going to do. So yeah, we're just going to silence that part right there and you can listen to what I'm doing. So I'm just going to trace around here. Yeah, trace around here and make it 1.5 inches longer at the top where the shoulders attach. Make 1.5 inches longer up there so that I can have more space, which I didn't need to make that space because now the shirt don't fit the way I wanted it to fit. But I'm going to make it again. I'm going to make the shirt a little smaller as well. So yeah, that's what I'm doing here. Right here. Right? Yeah, so we're going to add 1.5 inches to it. And then, because I think this is what I want to do. Because I don't feel like fighting and tussling with that, right? No, because then that's not going to look right. But if we take it down, I should have brought in other rulers, but I don't feel like fighting. So, like I said, everything else is going to stay the same. I added 1.5 inches to the arm. So So let's take it around, bring it around town. So then we have to go back up here. So then, boom. So that's still gonna fit, right? Right, okay? We believe, right? We believe. That still should fit because, boom. We believe? I think we do. So then, we're just gonna act like we believe. Well, we got no choice what to believe, okay? I just wanna add that piece there. And then we're coming around here. Okay, so yeah, that's right. So, here, let me go ahead and trace this out. This is gonna make it to the paper. Okay. We're gonna see once we actually have to do what we need to do. Okay. Bring it here. We need everything else. That's okay. That's we need. Judge not, because this is really the first time you ever doing this. Judge not. Y'all am in a really, really good mood. Boom. So then bring this here. This piece with a hat off. Boom. 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 There. All right. So we got our back piece where I want it. I just added a little more. Hold on. I just added a little more to it. Right here. That was it. So, because I seen this is the back of Simplicity 9717. Okay. So we added one. We got 1.5 inches here. So there it is. Should have some scissors over here. Put it up. So we're just gonna go ahead and okay, and here I go cutting out the little circle pieces that I want to have on my shoulders. And yeah, if I would have left the size the way it was, it would have probably fit perfect. But I mean, it still does good once it's all said and done. I did shorten the length of it, because it couldn't fit on that fabric. So yeah, I had to shorten it. But it still turned out cute. I'm going to do it again, and I'm going to make it the right size. Okay, I hope y'all enjoyed this. Yes, let's get this to 50 likes. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Here is the look, and y'all stay tuned for the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.